In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create board on Pinterest desktop. By the end, you'll have a brand new board ready to organize your ideas, save inspiration, and collaborate if you want to work with others. A board on Pinterest is simply a themed collection of pins. Think recipes, travel plans, room makeovers, or anything you want to gather in one place. Start by opening your web browser and going to pinterest.com on your desktop. Make sure you're signed in so you can create and save content. On the left side of the Pinterest home screen, look for the plus icon in the navigation panel. Click that plus sign to open the creation menu, then choose Board. This opens the board setup window. Type a clear descriptive name for your board. A good name makes it easier to find later and helps Pinterest recommend relevant pins. You can keep it simple or add details if you have a specific theme in mind. Next, decide on privacy. If you want this board to be visible only to you and anyone you invite, turn on the option to make the board private or secret. You can always change this setting later if your needs change. If you plan to collaborate, set it up as a group board. In the invite field labeled to type or paste, enter the names, emails, or profile links of people you want to add. Collaborators will be able to save pins to this board, which is great for planning events, team projects, or shared hobbies. After you add someone to the field, click Add to confirm each collaborator. You stay in control and can manage or remove collaborators anytime. When your name, privacy, and collaborator settings look right, click Create. Pinterest will now suggest pins that match your board's theme, making it easy to get started. Browse through the suggestions and click Save on anything that fits your vision. You can also use the search bar to find specific ideas and save them directly to your new board. Add a few pins now to build a foundation. You can always come back to add more later. When you're done adding your first pins, click Done to wrap up. Your board is now live in your profile, ready for you to organize, add sections if you like, and continue saving great ideas. Remember, you can edit the board's name, description, privacy, and collaborators whenever you need to, and you can rearrange or remove pins to keep everything tidy. That's it. Your Pinterest board is created and ready to go. Happy pinning!